Today, we are turning this guest bedroom into the YouTube studio of our dreams.
Yes, we need a place to sit, to talk to you, and be able to fulfill our journey.
Right, so we're going to make a space where we can sit and not make a really like studio sterile.
Who wants sterile?
Nobody wants sterile.
No, it's gonna be fun.
Right. So we're gonna have like a little casual spot where we can sit and talk about things, and then if another table or something set up so that we can use the camera on our laptop if we need it.
A multi-purpose room.
Multi-purpose YouTube studio room.
So we needed a space to be able to share our journey with you as we follow our purpose and simplify our life. So we are going to use this space here. My mom was in this room during COVID. I think we mentioned that before. She may be back depending on what happens, but for now, we're using this as a studio, and so there's some things that I need to take out that I'm working on right now, which are some of her things here. I'm going to box up and take away, decide what's going to stay, because we could actually use this for our studio if we need to store anything in it. There's really not much in here now. It's just an old cool bureau. Once it doesn't open or close, so the humidity, maybe we need to think twice about that.
Well,
anyway,
maybe...
There, it closed. Whew, that was a workout.
Maybe we need to get some liquid graphite at Lowe's to help those drawers open and
Always
close.
a solution.
So Jill.
So what?
So I had a thought.
What's your thought?
My thought was to take this, the Lagatha rocking chair, the one that our cat Lagatha likes to sit in.
Yeah, well, there's evidence of Lagatha all over the chair.
Yes.
Which will get all over my black pants if I sit down, but anyway.
Right. Well, we'll clean it up and we'll bring it upstairs to the office and then use this rocking chair and the rocking chair upstairs as our little casual spot for filming.
Oh, cool. That's a great idea.
That works for you?
That works for me.
Good. Then I don't have to get rid of the rocking chairs.
No, I know you do not want to get rid of the rocking chairs. You love the rocking chairs.
I do.
And I love one of them. Probably the one I'll be sitting in. Hey, do you need a hand?
No, I've got it. Is this that rocking chair?
That's the rocking chair.
Okay.
That's my favorite rocking chair.
It hasn't been sat in for a while. Could use a dusting. Okay. Looks cool.
So I have a really good idea for my mom's thing, since there's a chance she may be coming back. I am going to use this rickety old drawer, sorry, that's the Boston accent coming out. This drawer to put in her things. So they're still in the room. One of the drawers designated for her, and it'll be easy, but I do need to take some things out. So as you can see, there's some things in here that I really don't need or could go in the office. And Mom left a lot of her painting things. She was using these little plastic containers to mix paints, and piles of things here that are hers. So that's the plan.
All right, so I have a question.
What?
This chair.
That chair has been ruining our carpet because it has nails sticking out on the bottom.
Well, the only reason it has nails is because it used to have casters and the casters broke. Now the nails are left.
Well, nobody ever sits in it.
Well, it doesn't belong anywhere.
I don't think we need to keep it.
Okay.
I say let's bring it to our favorite consignment shop. I had an idea I was sharing, which is I'm making that rickety drawer that we need to put the, what's it called?
Liquid graphite?
Liquid graphite on my mom's drawer, so if she comes back, then all her stuff is there. It has a space.
She's not getting our YouTube studio. So you know what I realized? I already took the nails out of this. So I know she wants it to go anyway, but the nails were in here, in the feet. So I took the nails out, but I think it's gonna go anyway. So what's in that thing?
So by the way, if I look like I'm in different clothes, I got really hot. It's very humid today.
Oh no, this is a completely new day. No, it is not a new day. I am sweating too. I got the under boob sweat going. My forehead is sweaty. It is really humid. It's rained every single day except for one for an entire month. So it's always humid here. Anyway, what's in that
not much.
that end table, the side table?
It was a guest bedroom that my mom was using for her art studio. It doesn't have much in here, so most of this stuff can just come out. This can go in her drawer.
What is it?
This shows how to put the coasters and feet on this bureau, or this nightstand.
Yeah, I don't think we need that.
And that's a real estate book she would probably grab. This is a Happy Valentine's thing that could probably be trashed. This can be trashed. And you know what that is.
Oh, it's our green screen. I was wondering what happened to that.
We'll need that.
So the one dilemma that we have right now is the wireless router. We just got new internet and they are in this middle spot. I was kind of hoping to use this spot here because we don't have any backlighting. This would be our little cozy corner for the rocking chairs, but we've got this router stuff in the way.
Well, if we find a thin little narrow table that we could put in the back and put the router on it, then, or we could move the router under the window, then we should be okay.
Okay. Do we have a thin little table?
I don't know. Let's look around. There is that bookcase.
I don't think the bookcase is going to fit there. We're going to have two rocking chairs, and then this is coming out. So whatever's going to go here. So say if there's a rocker here, a rocker there, and we're talking to the camera this way.
Right.
Then we'll unplug this. We'll plug that in over here, but we need a little table or something right there for it to sit on.
Can't we move the router over? Isn't the wire long enough to sit on that bookcase?
I don't believe so, no.
All right, well, let's see if we can figure something out.
Okay. Okay. Whole roll of books in one shot. Oh, here we are.
We are.
In the cozy corner of our YouTube studio.
Our YouTube studio is still in process, but at least we have a place to sit right now, and it's pretty comfortable. I like these rocking chairs.
I do. I like these rocking chairs too. This is going to be a nice place for us to talk and share some ideas and some thoughts that go beyond just the other stuff that we do. We do need to work on some lighting. We've got the lights here, we've got the stands, all of that stuff. We just need to make sure that as we set them up, they maximize the light direction that we're trying to get.
But the lighting really isn't that bad right now.
Not terrible, a little yellow, but we'll work on it.
We're just looking jaundiced, I guess.
Jaundice?
Yeah.
What are we, babies?
No, I think people can become jaundiced even if they're not babies.
Oh, okay. All right. I have never met anybody who
I
is
was jaundiced as a baby.
I never like walked into a grocery store. I'm like, oh my God, you're all jaundiced.
Well, the nurse screamed when I was born, so.
Oh.
Literally. She freaked my mother out.
Oh, because you were yellow?
I was yellow.
Yellow from jaundice. Anyway, we digress. So, anyway, we're going to put the other table in here so that we can do the stuff with the laptop camera. We're going to do the lighting. But if you like what we're doing, smash that like button. Hit that like button down there. You know, it's the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up, not the thumbs down. Hit the thumbs up.
Please do. It helps us know if you are happy watching this, and we are going to just bring so much more to you in the future.
Right. And if you're looking to declutter, simplify your life, do any of those kinds of things, please add a question to the comments. Let us know what you're thinking. If you have any questions, or if you're doing this yourself, please let us know. We'd love to see what you're doing. Also, if you'd like to see some of the other things that we're doing or going to be doing, hit that subscribe button. It's a big red button. It says subscribe right on it. And next to it is a little bell. If you click that one, then you'll get notified whenever we post something new. So click both of those, subscribe and the bell.